What's up, everybody? Again, this is Greed for Money or Leo, and in this quick video, I'm just gonna go through a quick tutorial and need to knows about just being paid. All right, so let's get started. So basically, ano ba ang just been paid? Just been paid is a revenue sharing website wherein people can earn 2% profits during weekdays and 1.5% during weekends from the positions we buy from the site. So it's like a revenue sharing program. Para siyang cooperative when you buy a position. We actually call that thing na binibili natin as a position wherein yun na nag-earn ng profits for like 2% during weekdays and 1.5% during weekends. All right? So para siyang high return time deposit. So you probably know how mutual funds work or time deposit. Usually when we deposit something into a bank, napaka-late ng interest niya, but still we're doing that, right? Kasi at least kumikita pa rin tayo ng pera from our investments. Pero dito sa Just Been Paid, it's a really high return rate of investment. Okay? I'm gonna go through that later, but for now, I'm just gonna explain to you on how the site works. Alright? Now, how to make money with JBP or Just Been Paid. There are two current programs with Just Been Paid. One is the Just Been Paid Tripler. I know medyo vague pa siya so far, but basically Just Been Paid Tripler is where you actually buy that position wherein it will give you a profit of 2% or 1.5% during weekends. All right. Now, as a new starter, when you join Just Been Paid, there is a free $10 on your account. Okay? Pagka-login mo, I'm gonna show that to you later. Meron kang free $10 na magagamit to actually buy position. So you can start earning 2% right away from your day one. All right? So basically, the idea is, if you buy that $10 position from Just Been Paid, $10 each, okay? You will actually earn up to a total of 150% profits up to 81 days. Alright, it means that nag-spend ka ng $10, so basically within 81 days, kasi itong ang 2% na to and 1.5%, it will take like 81 days to earn 150% total profits. Okay, so yung $10 mo is magiging $15, so you earn $5 for that. Right, so that's the first part. Nakitaan sa Just Been Paid. Second thing is the Just Been Paid Synergy Surf or JSS. Now this one is like if you have any background with network marketing or MLM, para siyang ganun. Okay, basically you can buy positions here, pero pwedeng wag ka na lang bumili ng position as well. All you have to do is you just have to keep buying Just Been Paid Tripler position para each time na merong 4 Just Been Paid Tripler position na may expire, let's say 81 days, magkakaroon ka ng entry sa Just Been Paid Synergy Surf. Alright, so you're gonna get free entry to JSS each time 4 of your JSS Tripler got expired. And once your JSS position get filled by 6 other JSS position, which is 2x2 matrix, you will earn $60. So this is how it works. So let's say bumili ang mga members ng Just Been Paid ng Just Been Paid Tripler position and na-expire yun. Okay? Ang mangyayari is you'll be put onto a matrix like this one. Okay? So it's possible na let's say this is you, okay? And then some of the other members of Just Been Paid also got an expired position or bumili sila ng position sa JSS, which is that Just Been Paid Synergy Surf. So, each time na ma-fill tong position na to, which is 2x2 matrix, you're gonna earn $60. So basically, itong mga to, mga tao yan. Right? Now, just to show that to you in, live, para hindi ka masyadong malito, this is how it works. So, I'm just gonna log into my Just Been Paid account real quick. So if you have no Just Been Paid account yet, just click on the link below this video or the banner ads below this video and click here Join Now. Okay? Libre lang mag-join sa Just Been Paid and you have free $10 when you join. So you can use that to invest. Okay? So kindly click here and then, just fill out all of the info that is needed. Okay? So yan. And then when you fill it out, name, last name, contact email address, sign me up now, then may darating sa yung email, you just have to confirm it and then finish the filling out process para magkaroon ka na ng account from Just Been Paid. Okay? Now, right now, I'm actually here on my Just Been Paid account. Okay? I started with Just Been Paid going back in December. Pero this site has been online, up and running for more than 2 years na, no? Bad for me kasi hindi ko siya sinimulan dati kaagad kasi I have this kind of attitude na ayoko ng mga gantong klaseng program. But the fact is, ang daming mga normal na tao na kumikita from Just Been Paid. Okay? You can actually see them across the net. Okay? So, like what I said earlier, there are 2 ways of earning with Just Been Paid. One is JSS Tripler, which is here. When you log in, makikita mo to. And then the other one is JSS, or JSS Synergy Surf, which is here. Okay? All you have to do is, firstly, punta lang ako sa may Just Been Paid Tripler ko, JSS Tripler. So, click lang tong enter. And here. So, as you may notice here, so far, meron akong balance na $51.40. Okay? Basically, I just started with Just Been Paid for like $50 going back in December. Pero so far, I'm actually making like almost $9 a day with the site. And growing. Kasi what I'm doing is, I keep on investing my earning or keep on buying positions dito. Kasi the more na you buy positions, the more you earn from it. Okay? So, ikaw, pagka-login mo, punta ka sa positions, and then, balik-click mo lang tong buy a new position. Kasi meron ka ng free $10 sa account mo when you log in. Okay? So, as you may notice here, meron akong 42 active positions. Okay? Basically, $10 each yan. Diba? Nag-start lang ako from $50, which bumili ako ng 5 position. And then, so far, ito na yung number ng positions ko. So, now, my money is working for me. Okay? So, yan. When we actually go here to financial, dito natin makikita yung numbers or earnings natin or earnings ko from day-to-day basis. Like yesterday, I earned $8.50. Okay? So that is what I'm currently making, which is napakaliit pa ng account ko kasi I started small. Alright? So basically, that's the main idea of it, ng Just Been Paid. Just keep on buying positions here, and each time na may expire yung position natin, which is I'm gonna show you here. So, position. Alright. So, here, nakikita mo yung days left. Sabi ko, 81 days. Okay? So, meron ako mga positions dito na na-expired na. Yan. Ito mga to. Expired na sila. Kalagay, JSS transferred. Ibig sabihin, lumipat na yan sa may JSS account ko and naging matrix na yan. So, pupuntahan natin siya maya-maya. And then, also, nakikita mo tong JSS pending. Right? Kasi 3 pa lang siya na-expire. So basically, pag may na-expire na naman na isa, like this one, 2 days na lang expire na, mapupunta ito sa JSS ko. So may panibago na naman akong positions doon. Okay? So, punta naman tayo sa JSS Synergy Cert, which is this one. Okay? I'm just gonna show you the glimpse of it on how it looks like. So here, click ko lang yung positions. Here we go. So far, I have like 4 positions dito sa JSS Tripler. So, hinihintay ko na lang silang mapuno. No? Like this one. This is me. No? And I already have 2 referrals here sa ilalim. So, 4 na lang. Pag nagkaroon pa ng 4 na referral dito from other members, no, na may expire ng position dito sa JSS Tripler. Pag napunta sila dito sa ilalim ko, automatically, magkakaroon ako ng $60 dito. Right? But, hindi na ako bumili ng positions dito. Right? Nagano na lang ako. Galing lang to sa mga expired position ko. Though, ito namang isa ko. So, yan. Ako yan, Leo Bragas. And nagkataon yung position na na-expire sa akin is napunta uli sa akin. Right? Ito yung referral ko. Ako uli to. Right? So far, ito puno na, nalagyan na to ng 3. So, nag-aabang na lang ako ng 2 referral dito sa ilalim. So, pag nagkaroon na naman ng referral dito na na-expire na position from JSS Tripler, then I'm gonna make $60. So, I'm looking at $240 profit dito pa lang sa may sa may JSS. Alright. Basically, sa JSS Cycler, or this one, it's like a 2x2 matrix. If you're kind of familiar with MLM or networking. So, ganun siya mag-work. Alright? So, if you're interested to make money with JSS, actually, this is the easiest way to make money online, honestly. Kasi yung you don't have to be a marketer here. You don't have to get a lot of referrals just to make money. Actually, kahit wala kang referrals, you're still gonna make a lot of money with JSS or JBP. And I'm also here to assist you on how to, to maximize your profit with JBP. So all you have to do is, if you sign up under my link below, is just send me a PM here with my Sulit account. Send your username, send your email address. Okay? So in that way, mapapadala ko sa'yo yung mga additional tutorials that I created personally. So in that way, I can further teach you on how to make money with JSS and all other things that is needed to know. Alright? Now, if you also wanted to know more about JSS, okay? Alam nyo, sa lahat ng mga pinagkakakitaan online or any networking company, JSS lang or JBP lang ang merong weekly conference, actually daily conference, wherein yung may-ari ng site is nakikipag-usap sa telepono sa mga members niya. So ito yung mga web conference niya. Like this one, ito, last web conference was May 10th. So nung isang araw lang to. Pag pinlay mo to, mapapakinggan mo yung owner ng site na yan, ganyan. So, mapakinggan mo yung owner ng site na sumasagot ng mga tanong ng mga members niya live. Alright, so ito lang yung mga recordings nila. Okay, so wala kang makikitang kumpanya or online na wherein yung may-ari ng website is sumasagot ng mga questions ng mga member niya, which is, this one is really legit for me. And again, this the easiest way to make money online. That's all that I can say. All right, I've been through a lot of online money making programs, and so far this one is the most promising site for me. Okay, so go ahead and join below and send me your info. So in that way, I can send you more details about it. So if you have also questions for me about JBP, then just let me know. All right, so I can respond to you as soon as possible. All right, so I appreciate you watching my video, and you have a great day. Bye-bye now.